Hello and welcome to another video. Today in this video I'll show you guys two awesome applications that could simply increase your gaming experience and boost the FPS, and with that you could enjoy a faster performance of your computer as well. This video won't be too long, so let's get a timer over there. Alright, so let's get into the main topic. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go to any browser and type in CCleaner. Something like this will appear in front of you. You just have to click on the first link and just see the website over here. There are two options. First, you can click on download free version over here and download it, or else you can just scroll a bit down and click on download button over here. Once you click on that, you will be directed to a website like this. From here you have to click on free trial or just click on download from ccleaner.com. Once you do that, just wait for it to start the installation and just click on save and save it anywhere on your computer. And once you are done, you will see a setup over here. Just run it as administrator. Once you are done with the installation, just right click on it and click on run it as administrator. Once you do that, a screen like this will pop up. You have to click on run cleaner and just click on continue from here. From here, just click on yes and it will start the cleaning process. From here again click on yes and just let it do what it wants to do. So here we go guys, the cleaning has completed. As it says over here, it took 108 point something seconds for me. It may change for you. So now I'll just exit it and let's go to the next method. So the next application on the list is Razer Cortex. Just search it on any browser and just click on the first link that will appear. From here you will be directed to a website. You just have to click on download now button over there. Just save it anywhere on your computer and just get back to the folder where you have saved, or for me it's the desktop, so I'll just go there and right click on it and run it as administrator. First you have to install it. Here's the setup of that. Just click on install and just let it do what it wants to do. It will take some time, don't worry, I'll just skip that part for you. Once that is done, you just have to click on get started or whatever it is over there and just double click or right click on the Razer Cortex logo over here. Now from here you have to sign up or log in if you already have an account. I'll just do that and get back to you. So from here you just have to click on boost over here and just click on boost now button over there. That will just boost the performance of your computer or the in-game performance and just eventually increase your FPS. That will be really helpful. So as you can see, it says 1001 MB RAM released. So that is it guys, the method is completely done and I hope this will work for you as well. This will increase the overall gaming performance of your computer and give you better results eventually. So the timer is finished and I hope this will work for you. So thanks for watching. I'll expect a like from you and make sure you subscribe before you leave. So that is it for today's video. See you in the next one.